60 seconds on our clock. Go!
All right, so here I have a store-bought angel food cake, and I'm just gonna tear it up with my hands. You can chop this really nicely and make it look pretty, but I don't have a whole lot of time for that.
What's he even talking about?
And then I'm going to put in some yogurt. This is vanilla yogurt, but you could
vanilla yogurt.
You can use any sort of yogurt that you have in the fridge. I'm using vanilla yogurt because that's what I have.
Okay.
Perfect. Do that for me. Throw it into this bowl. That's some crushed pineapple. We just kind of drain it a little bit because I don't want it to get too juicy.
Oh, it's not a party.
Whoops.
It's not a party till the angel food cake goes flying.
And then this is just a little pineapple ring. I'm going to throw it down into the ramekin. And
oh,
then
baby.
I'm going to take this stuff, oh geez, and you put it in the ramekin, and then you smash it down. How much time is left?
13 seconds.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Wait,
and
wait.
No, you take it out,
Okay.
and then you put a cherry on top, and then you put some nutmeg over the top.
Yeah!